Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly advancing field that has the potential to revolutionize every industry and aspect of our lives. It has already made significant inroads in fields such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and even the arts. But with all the buzz and excitement surrounding AI, it's important to have a clear understanding of what it is and how it works. So, let's dive in and explore the basics of AI. First and foremost, AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human-level intelligence. This includes tasks such as understanding and interpreting language, recognizing patterns and objects, and making decisions based on data and analysis. There are two main types of AI, narrow or weak AI, and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks and is currently the most common type of AI. Examples include self-driving cars, facial recognition software, and virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. On the other hand, general AI is designed to be able to perform any intellectual task that a human can. This type of AI is still in the realm of science fiction and has not yet been achieved. AI is made possible through the use of algorithms and machine learning. Algorithms are sets of instructions that tell a computer what to do, while machine learning involves training a computer to perform a task by feeding it large amounts of data and allowing it to learn and improve over time. There are several approaches to machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, a machine is given a set of labeled data and learns to predict an outcome based on that data. In unsupervised learning, a machine is given a set of data and must find patterns and relationships within it. In reinforcement learning, a machine learns through trial and error and is rewarded for making the correct decisions. However, with any new technology, there are also concerns and ethical considerations. One of the main concerns surrounding AI is the potential for job displacement as more tasks become automated. There are also concerns about the potential for AI to be used in harmful ways, such as in the development of autonomous weapons. In conclusion, AI is a rapidly advancing field that has the potential to transform our world. It's important to understand the basics of how it works and to consider the ethical implications of its development and use. The future of AI is exciting and full of possibilities, and we can't wait to see what it brings. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to support us. See you in our next video.